Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to get your Amazon Fire Stick remote control working again, and if not, you can use your iPhone. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot your Amazon Fire Stick remote, because apparently once in a while this actually will lose connection with your Fire Stick, and apparently it will not be able to respond at all. And so, well, first of all, make sure that you actually have fresh batteries. And the thing is, with this remote, it takes two AAA batteries, and what happens is sometimes when these batteries get below 1.4 volts, it doesn't work too well. If you know how to work one of these multimeters, it'd be great to check the voltage. But anyhow, if you have any doubt, just put in a fresh batch of batteries, and you should be good to go. But nonetheless, if your remote does not work at all, then apparently you have no way to go to the settings and such, and actually pair it. And so what you want to do is get your iPhone and launch the App Store, and go ahead and type in under the search Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Fire Stick remote, and you'll see a bunch of apps. There are some that are paid, and if you want to pay for it, that's fine, but there's really no need for it. Amazon actually makes one. It's called the Amazon Fire TV. Like this. Go ahead and open that and install it. And once that is installed, go ahead and open the app. Also, make sure that you are not on data. Make sure that you are actually on the same network as your Amazon Fire TV. If not, it's just not going to work. That way, you'll be able to find your Fire TV, and your phone will be able to communicate. And once you open the app, this code here is Amazon Fire TV remote app connection request. It should display a number. Make sure to use that number, not this number, but make sure to use that number and type it in onto the 4-digit box onto the app. And once you type that in, it should work pretty much instantly. And as you can see here, that it is actually working, and I'm using my phone to to navigate the screen of the Amazon Fire Stick. And as you can see here, it's actually paired up now, and it's actually corresponding to what I'm what I'm actually have up here. And so, see, and with that is actually paired up now with your remote. The thing I like about this Amazon app here for the remote for the Fire TV or Fire Stick is that you can actually type something on here with numbers, as opposed to just a toggle switch. This toggle switch, which you have to use a keyboard on the display of your TV. That's what I like about it. And so, okay, so now you are able to have access and navigate through the menus. So what you want to do now to pair your remote is go to settings, as you can see here, and then Amazon Fire TV remotes. And as you can see, this is the one that is controlling it now, the actual app in itself, the Amazon Fire TV remote app. But since you need to pair your remote, you would press this. In this case, I actually have it paired already, but nonetheless, when you're having problems with your remote and you have your fresh batteries with you, what you want to do is, you would go to add new remote, and then what you want to do, what it says here, that you need to press the home button for 10 seconds on the remote that you want to pair. So what you want to do is actually press this for about 10 seconds. What I find works better is if you are actually close. This is actually the actual Fire Stick in itself. If I actually put it in the vicinity or close to it while pressing the home button at the same time, and do it for 10 seconds, it actually pairs up much faster. Sometimes it takes a little longer, I don't know, for some reason or not, but in this case, it actually does pair much faster. Like what I said, I've had quite a few troubles with this remote, and that's what I had to do, and it always pairs up. And now you have two remotes, one from your smartphone and one for your actual remote itself. And so if you like this video, feel free to click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.